Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. Let's say we have a good idea of where we are and are sure about where we want to go. We've done the work of assessing our strengths, acknowledging our weaknesses, evaluating our opportunities, and understanding threats. How do we get from where we are to where we want to go? Is it a straight line, using pure reason to get us from hell on earth to Paradise City? The thing about thinking is that we think that thought happens outside of us. There's us, then there's the thought. But every thought we have comes from us and has to do some work to get past our internal gatekeepers. Instead of leaping the chasm with a brilliant idea, we have to go down to the bottom of the U and then back up again. At the first level down, we have to silence our voice of judgment. Deeper down, and we must let go of the armor provided by our inner cynic. And at the bottom of the U, we must confront our deepest fears. Any significant change you want to bring about will need to deal with those gatekeepers, not just in you, but in all those you seek to serve. Along with you, they'll think they're not good enough, that they've seen it all before and you'd all feel more comfortable preserving the existing order rather than surrendering to the unknown. Overcome your voice of judgment, practice being vulnerable, and be virtuous in your courage. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.